Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove shipping calculated at checkout for Shopify. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step, we need to go and open Google here. And then from Google, we're going to search for Shopify. And I'll go for my link over here because this one is, as you can see, sponsored. So this is not the official link for Shopify. And I'll go down here a little bit and I'll choose shopify.com. And for sure, I need to log into my online store through the Shopify website. And so whenever I'm here on Shopify, I can see all these options. So I'll go and click on online store and then we will be directly go to these options. So we must click on themes, and from here we just go down a little bit and we go for these 3 points and we click on them. And then here we have multiple options such as preview, rename, duplicate, but I'll go and click on edit default theme content and I click on it over here. And now from here on the items, you can see general, newsletter, accessibility, blogs, and so on and so forth. But we will go here for the filter items and we're going to search for shipping calculated. And we will go here directly to taxes and shipping at checkout. And just to set the expectations, the section for this text is on the cart section. So here we're going to delete all these text and we're going to write wherever we want. So for example, we can say, welcome to our store. And then we hit the save option over here. We click on it and theme content updated. So that was all today's video. At the end, if you found this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also you can leave us a comment down below in the comment section to let us know if the video is helpful. And thanks for watching.